Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to type the degree Celsius symbol on your phone. First, locate the number 0 on your keyboard. Press and hold it down for a moment. A small pop-up menu should appear, showing various symbols, including the degree symbol. Slide your finger to select it. Then, simply type a capital C right after it to complete the Celsius notation. It's quite straightforward once you know the trick. For Android users, typing the degree Celsius symbol is very simple. Open your keyboard and find the number 0 key. Press and hold this key, and you'll see a small menu pop up with several options, including the degree symbol. Select it, and then just type a capital C immediately after. This quick method works reliably on most Android phones and tablets, making it easy to share temperature readings. If you're using an iPhone or iPad, typing the degree Celsius symbol is just as easy. Bring up your keyboard and tap on the number 0 key. Hold it down for a second or two, and a small menu will appear above it, displaying various symbols. Slide your finger to select the degree symbol from these options. Once it's inserted, simply type a capital C right next to it to complete your Celsius temperature. If the previous methods don't work for some reason, an alternative is to simply search for degree Celsius symbol online. Once you find it, you can easily copy and paste it into your message or document. This is a reliable workaround for any device. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to keep your home spotless with minimal effort, offering voice control and self-emptying features that make cleaning a breeze, especially for pet owners.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.